Today I'm going to show you how to make these super fast and easy hair scrunchies. As you see, I have not sewn in the ends to these yet. If you have not yet already done so, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you get notified when I release new tutorials and yarn giveaways. Okay, so for today's video, you will want some velvet yarn or any yarn of your choice. Today I'm going to be using this velvet yarn. I am going to be using a 6mm size J crochet hook. You will also want a pair of scissors and a tapestry needle. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, to begin, we are going to leave about a 4-inch tail here. We are going to grab our pony tie, hair tie, and we are going to go ahead and draw up a loop, attach this through the center, and we're going to chain up one, holding both our working and our tail end, okay? With our working yarn, we are going to chain up one more, so we will have a total of 2 chains. I am now going to double crochet into the center of the hair tie, but I am going to work over my tail end. So yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2 more. So we're just going to continue to double crochet into the center of the hair tie, working over our tail end. And that is it. It is that simple. So you just go ahead, continue to work double crochets, and I will show you what to do to make sure that you have that nice little scrunch. So we don't want to just do it all the way around, because if we just go ahead and do it straight around, when we pull it out, it's going to stretch like that. So we're going to go ahead, let's go ahead and do like 30 double crochets. Meet me back here and I'll show you what to do next. So I have worked roughly 30 double crochets. So what I'm going to do is I want to kind of tighten these up and pull these stitches together. So I'm just going to hold on to one end and kind of pull on the other side of the ponytail so that it pushes these stitches closer together. Okay, just like that. So now go ahead and continue to work some more double crochets. Let's just say till you're about 1/3 of the way from finishing. Okay, so go ahead and do that and meet me back here, and I will show you again how to tighten up your stitches here. Okay, so I went ahead and worked some more double crochets. So I want to tighten these stitches up so that when we stretch our hair tie, we're not going to see that black band underneath. So go ahead and pinch your hair tie in the center part here and grab and just kind of pull the ends in like this. Or you can hold the center and grab both of the ends and just pull it tight. So as you see, that opened up a lot more space on the ponytail, or on the hair tie, excuse me. So we're gonna go ahead and work some more double crochets, and then we'll do the same thing. So we'll just go ahead, power through here, work a few more. So again, this is a really quick, easy crochet project to do. It's a great little gift if you didn't have anything for your friend's birthday, or you just needed to whip something up really fast for your hair to pull together your outfit. Okay, so I went ahead and worked some more double crochets, so I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing and just tighten up my stitches. So as you see, that opened up more space, and it also kind of gives your scrunchie that little wave to it so that it's not completely straight around. So go ahead, continue to do this, just keep working double crochets into the center of your hair tie and then tightening those stitches up. And go ahead and do that until you feel that your ponytail, your hair tie, I am so sorry you guys, go ahead and continue to do that until you feel that your hair tie is the appropriate amount of stitches and the right scrunchiness that you would like. And I'm going to do that on mine. I'll meet you back here and I'll show you kind of how it looks when I stretch mine out. Okay, so this is what my finished hair tie looks like. So I did my last stitch and I continued to tighten that all the way around so you just don't see that black very much underneath. So to finish off, I am going to slip stitch here to that first stitch. I'll slip stitch into the next. I want to chain up 1, chain up 2, and leave a long tail because we are going to want to sew this in, quite a long tail there, and go ahead and cut your yarn. You will then want to just pull up on your crochet hook. And this yarn does have a tendency to break easily if you pull too hard on it, so just be easy. Go ahead and try and tighten it up as much as you can. Go ahead and make another knot just to really make sure this doesn't come out. You might want to do 3 knots. And then you will want to grab your tapestry needle and go ahead and sew in the end. I will go ahead and do that with you guys. Okay, so now I just want to go ahead and thread my tapestry needle, just like that. And I'm just going to go into the back of this stitch here, and you just really want to make sure to weave this in and out of your work. So as we stretch it like this, we don't want it to unravel quickly. So just go ahead, find as many stitches there, and just work quite a bit of that tail. When you feel that your tail is secure enough, then you can just go ahead and clip that off. Just gonna work a couple more stitches here. And go back up. These are great for yourself, or these are really popular at craft fairs. I did work at a festival where I was selling my crochet items, and I sold a ton of these. So I did them in different colors, and last season the mustard color was definitely in. Okay, so I'm going to say that's good for this guy, so then I'm going to go ahead and clip my end there. And there you have it, you guys. Your great hair scrunchie. Look how cute that is. And they're great for holding up your hair. They don't pull your hair out like hair ties do. So there you go, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment if you have any questions or video tutorials that you would like to see. Also, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Have a great day, you guys.